Okay, so this is the new TV decoder, TV receiver I just bought, and this is the remote control, and I just bought new batteries for it. Okay, I've attached the TV receiver to the TV using the HDMI cable. So this is the HDMI cable, and this connects to the antenna on the roof, which is on right now, which can be used right now. So the HDMI cable is linked to the TV here. Right here, this is HDMI. There's HDMI 1 there. Okay. So let's try switching this on. Okay, that's on. And I have to connect this, link this to the TV. So we press the source button, get to HDMI, press that, and straight away I get into the channel search. The automatic channel search page. So it's doing a search right now. And it has stopped at 32%. Not moving. Okay, so I'm hoping to get into the menu page so I can make some changes. Maybe to the frequency or the bandwidth or both. So I'm pressing menu button. It doesn't get out. So I'm following the instructions down there. Press exit. And then menu. Nope. I do not get into the menu page to make any changes. So it doesn't allow that. So let me try this again. Switch off. Okay. On. So that's on. And I'm connecting it to the TV. So I press on the source button on the TV's remote. That's it. Source. Get down to HDMI. And I try to press menu button and it gets me right away to channel search. And I'm trying to press menu again. It doesn't work. Well, it's doing an automatic channel search right now. So I can't get into menu. I will try to exit like the instructions down there. Exit a menu, doesn't get into the menu page at all. So I can't make any changes because it automatically goes into the automatic channel search mode with the wrong frequency and bandwidth, and I get no signal. Again, last time. Let's try this. Off, on, source, HDMI, menu, doesn't work. Now it gives me installation guide. Okay, so I press down to go to channel search, doesn't, and instead it goes into automatic channel search. Same thing happens. Seems I can't make any modifications to this. It straight away jumps into the automatic channel search page. No changes allowed, so I can't get any signal at all. Okay, so it stops at 32%. Menu doesn't exit, and that's it. This does not work.